Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to change refresh rate in Windows 11. The refresh rate of a display is the number of times per second that the image refreshes on the screen. For example, a 60 Hz display will update the screen 60 times per second. Overall, the refresh rate determines how smoothly motion appears on your screen. For example, if you're playing a game that has a lot of fast-moving action, a higher refresh rate can help improve your overall gaming experience to keep up with the action. A higher refresh can also help you get a better experience with smoother motion when you're browsing the web or using a digital pen to write or draw. A higher refresh rate can also reduce battery life because it uses more power. So, if you're using a laptop or tablet and want to save some battery, you could lower the refresh rate. However, that might also reduce the overall experience when you're using your device. Click on Windows icon on the taskbar. The menu will pop up. Click on Settings. Choose System from the left side list. Go to Display. Click on Advanced Display. Look for Choose a Refresh Rate option. Click on the drop-down list next to it. Choose the option that you need from the list. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!